popping out there, YouTube? It's your boy Game Abroad, man. Back with another video, baby. Out here in Cartagena, Colombia, baby. Just getting up in the morning, man. Just having me a cup of coffee, man. I just be waking up, man. I love coming over here, looking over the balcony, man. Just having me some coffee. You know, maybe a little OJ every morning, and you know, just get my mind right, baby. All right, man. It's just slow motion, man. But today, you know, I'm gonna do a little video showing you guys how to whip up that little recipe called ceviche, man. It's a real popular dish, man, out there on the beach, man. Mostly, it's a coastal dish, but it's real popular out there on the beach, man. Everybody likes to eat it. So, you know, I'm gonna show you guys how to whip it up so you can sit back at the crib and make it. Plus, I want to learn how to make it. So, yeah, man, I'm gonna have my girl come over here, man, and whip some up for us, man. Show us how to make it, baby. All right. So make sure you hit the like, share, subscribe, man. It's your boy Game Abroad, man. All right, guys. So today, man, I want to show y'all how to make ceviche, man. Caribbean style, you know, Cartagena ceviche, because it's different than the Mexican style ceviche. All right, and this is the real popular snack everybody eats on the beach, man. You know what I'm saying? So I want to make it at home, show y'all how to make it. As you can see, we got all the ingredients right here, man. Can you get the ingredients? All right. What you got? We got more.
Salsa tomate.
Salsa tomate.
Picante. Mayonnaise.
Mayonnaise.
Limón.
Limón.
Cebolla.
Cebolla.
Pimienta picante.
Okay.
Camarones. Plátano.
Hold on, we got the cilantro. Cilantro.
Cilantro.
Okay. And we're gonna cook the plantains too. How you say this?
Plátano.
Plantano. All right. Okay, amor. Primera.
Cocinar.
Okay. So she gonna cook the shrimp for us real quick, man. Cocinar, yes, cocinar. And I'm just gonna sit back and talk shit. Let me get out the way. ¿Cómo se llama?
Tabla.
Tabla?
Yes.
Cutting board is called a tabla. And
Cuchillo.
Cuchillo. Sorry, more. Okay. Yeah, so we learning words and we're cooking, man. You know what I'm saying? Game Abroad, man. I bring you a little bit of everything. Maria, ¿te gusta cocinar?
Me encanta.
Me encanta. ¿Cocinar todos los días?
Todos los días.
Maria tiene familia grande, eh? Familia grande. She told me she had 14 hermanos. She has 14 brothers and sisters. Can you believe that? ¿Qué necesitas?
Apagar el abanico.
Okay, so she gonna slice them up nice and pretty. All right, nice and pretty plantain. Plantain, no. Okay, pregunta. ¿Qué piensan los colombianos en Cartagena de los estudiantes gringos que se mudan aquí? ¿Entiendes? Bien. Ah. Okay. Well, she says no problem.
No problem.
No problem, amor.
No.
Gusta que los gringos se mudan allá. ¿Entendió? Ahí, ¿entendió? Medellín, no
gusta.
No gustan.
Malo.
Sí. Apartamento.
Muy caro.
Yes, muy caro.
Yes.
So.
Extranjeros. Yes.
Yeah, extranjeros. But no problem aquí, Cartagena.
No problem.
Yeah, man, a lot of problems that you hear, man, about Colombia and Medellin. I just don't be hearing them a lot, man, when it comes to Cartagena. You know, just a lot of stuff like the locals ain't tripping. I'm not hearing that. Of course, you know, it's not that dangerous. You know what I'm saying? So That's why I like it out here more, man. You know. Plus, I heard a lot of things are changing out there in Medellin pretty soon. So, I don't know, man. You know what I'm saying? Cartagena seems like it's the move, you know. Especially if you're a beach guy. Oh my God, will it be in more? Yeah. Tengo hambre.
¿Tienes hambre?
Yeah, man, come out here and get you a nice, beautiful girl. You know what I'm saying? Loves cooking for you. I got me a nice healthy one, you know what I'm saying? I know she likes to cook. Slicing up the onions. Amor, mucho?
2 minutos.
No, mucho grande, plato grande, mucho comida. Mucho comida. I'm eating on this all day. I'm eating on this all day. I'm eating on this all day. Amor, comiste?
¿Yo?
Sí.
Yes.
¿Qué? ¿Qué comiste?
Arroz,
Arroz.
carne,
Carne.
ensalada.
Ah. You cook, you cocinar?
Yes.
Cocinar todo casa, you.
Todos los días.
Oh, okay. I've been trying to get her to come cook for me, y'all. She finally whipping up something, so I understand. She be at home cooking for the whole family, you know, so. She be muy cansada, hey? Muy cansada?
Yes.
So no cocinar para mí, because you muy cansada, yeah? Brahma, more. Brahma. Oh my God, huele bien. Huele bien.
¿Huele bien?
It smells good, man. Stuff is always better, man, when you make it at home yourself. You know what I'm saying? That's what I think. Like when I make stuff at home, it always come out better because you can do it just right how you like it, you know?
Mucha hambre.
Yeah, some more. Sí, mucho hambre. Nos vemos bien juntos.
Yes.
Yeah, man. You feel me? See, a lot of you dudes out there be hollering, man, when you leaving Colombia, when you going back to Thailand? Bro, you know what I'm saying? Like, I'm chilling out here, fam. You know what I'm saying? You know? Why would I be in a rush to leave this? You dig what I'm saying? Why? A lot of stuff that used to irk me about out here, man, it's growing on me. You know what I'm saying? Like, the music outside used to keep me up. I used to hate it. But then when I left and I was back at the crib, I kind of missed it. I found myself, like, singing them songs, man. I'm gonna have to find out what they look, cause they play the same 8 songs over there at that bar across the street. But I kind of like them now. Shit, I was complaining like a mother when I first got here, but it's all good. Yeah, man. But a lot of stuff grew on you out here, man. A lot of stuff grew on me. A lot of stuff grew on your boy. You feel me? And después amor, tú limpio, okay?
Yes.
Yeah, she clean, cook and clean, you know. Cleaning is next to God. Limpio todo casa para mí. Thank you, amor. Muchas gracias. She said she's gonna clean the whole house for me, man. Thank you, baby. Oh my God. Okay, so gotta cook the shrimp first. Already. But yeah, like I said, this is different than Mexican style, guys. So, you know, this is Caribbean, you know, Cartagena style. This is mostly popular, muy popular otros ciudad, Medellin, no?
Yes.
Oh yeah, okay. Cause it's like it's really popular in coastal places, you know, I heard, but it's really popular throughout all Colombia, you know what I'm saying? But it derived from, you know, the coastal areas. You did. Is it terminado, amor? Quase terminar? I'm over messing with her. Take your time, amor. No rápido.
No,
Tranquilo. No problem.
No problem.
No problem. Okay, so she's mixing it up. She's getting ahead of me, baby. She's getting ahead of me. All right, so we're getting the cilantro,
Cebolla.
and cebolla. Oh, cebolla, my bad. I'm getting my seeds mixed up. Thank you, amor. Gracias.
Cilantro.
She corrected me. Okay, now we got cilantro. Yeah. Y'all like the Airbnb? This Airbnb, the owner, he really got a lot of stuff in here I like. You know, I got all the little, you know, stuff to cook with. You know, you move in some spots, they ain't got nothing. But in this apartment, you know, he keep a lot of stuff. So you ain't wanting for nothing. I mean, he got all the cooking utensils I need. Everything, you feel me? Yeah, I like this snack, man, because it's light, you feel me? You know, it's not fattening, so, you know, you can kind of stick to your diet, too, on this, you know, very much so. Now, I think we fried the plantains in grease, so that's not good, you know what I'm saying? Hey, man, Game Abroad, man, I'm keeping y'all on y'all fitness blast, man, you know what I'm saying? Because we trying to keep it sexy, you know what I mean? We don't want to get big. She said I'm fat now. She said I'm more, gordo.
Yes.
He said I'm good, you know, my stomach's sticking out a little bit. But that's all right, man. I've been munching, man. It's all good. And I've been drinking too many of those beers, man. Those Michelada cervezas I showed y'all. I've been tearing them up, man. They so smooth, man, and sweet. It's good. It's a damn good treat. Okay. Let's get back to the plate. What she got going over here? Okay, a more mixto, mayonnaise, and tomate.
Mayonnaise.
Okay, yes. Habla ingredientes. Okay.
Pimienta.
Pimienta, muy importante.
Yes.
¿Por qué?
Rico.
Rico. Oh, okay. So I was shopping and I got. She told me to get that one, but I got some other stuff. She was like, nah, you got the wrong one. So I guess that seasoning there. Poco. Okay, poco.
Yes.
Oh, okay. Don't put a lot of it in there.
Picante.
And picante. Yeah,
Poco.
gotta spice it up. Poco. Oh, yeah. I like it hot though. Yeah, this is very important. Get this packet. I don't know if they sell that in America. So I'm trying to show y'all so y'all can sit at home and make it. You know what I'm saying?
Limon.
Limon, yeah, limon is very important. Importante, muy importante. See, yeah, you gotta have that lemon. Yeah, man, I'm just showing y'all this, man, so you can, you know, get you a little taste of Colombia and Cartagena. While you at home, you know, at the crib, you can make this. For real. I like to learn how to make different dishes, man, from different places, you know? All right. Got a little dancing, a little bailar more. See, poco bailar, yeah. Yeah.
Sal.
Sal, okay, yeah, sal. Mucho importante. Sal. Okay, just a little bit. I got high blood pressure. See, I got a little high blood pressure. And misto, eh?
Revolvemos.
Ah. Man, this smells great, y'all. For real. Okay, that's what I'm talking about. Man, and you can also pair this with avocado. So, con aguacate. Good? Yeah, aguacate. Yeah. Okay, yeah, I think I'm gonna eat a little bit, but later on I'm gonna go get me some aguacate.
Por encima.
Sí, aguacate?
Aguacate.
Yeah, sí, la tienda allá.
Un poco más.
Poco más, okay. We don't got the measurements, guys, so, you know, we just eyeballing it, you know what I'm saying? We are not juice jerk. Cause I'm a hood nigga. All right. Okay, she put a lot more in there. Amor mismo en la playa, mismo, yeah. Mejor, okay. Oh, she said it's better. Okay, my bad. Looks good. Yeah, you know, color folks. You know what I'm saying? We just eyeball it. We ain't doing the measurements. You know, season to your liking. You know what I'm saying? That's what. Uncle Ma. Okay. Where's that stuff I got? Now this is what I got before. She said it's no good. No good, Amor? No. Yeah, I don't. The lady at the store gave me this, so I don't know. Yeah. That's why shopping here, man. Like, you can get some stuff, but I can't do too much cooking because, like, they don't got like the same ingredients. Listo? Okay, listo. Delicioso, amor? Okay. Good. Caliente? Oh, no.
Yeah.
Caliente. Poco frío? Okay. It's a little bit warm. It's good, though. Yeah, it's good, amor. It's better, man. Hold on. Get some they fly ya. Now she got to freeze. We gonna freeze it because it's supposed to be. It's a cold dish. I ain't never had it hot like that. And we cook and we clean. Clean as we go. Let me try one of these plantains. Got to know. Good. No doodle. No. Amarillo. She made them kind of, they soft, but they come crunchy too. So you can get it either way. Hey man, game abroad, man. I'm bringing you all the food and beverage, man. You know what I'm saying? I'm like Sam Rothstein. You know what I'm saying? I'm sticking with food and beverage. You know what I'm saying? For real. Yes, sir. Yeah, man. So that was just a quick video, man, showing y'all how to cook that ceviche, man, and showing you how the beautiful Colombianas get down in the kitchen, man. As far as the culture and thing, they like to cook what they do. You know what I'm saying? Like, I don't think it's quite like on the level of a Thailand. When it's just deeply embedded in their culture. You know what I'm saying? Just to, you know what I'm saying? But they get down too. They do their thing too, though. You know what I'm saying? So that's today's video, man. We finished the ceviche, man. It looks great, man. This is how you make ceviche, man. So now you can make it at home by yourself. You know what I'm saying? Bad Colombiana not included, though. You feel me? so you're gonna have to get Shaniqua to make yours. You know what I'm saying? No, I'm just playing. Cosa no proxima. Okay, she said whatever I want. Okay, well, we gotta think of something, man. All right, man. Appreciate y'all for joining me, man. Make sure y'all hit the like, share, subscribe, man. It's your boy Game Abroad. We out of here from Colombia, baby. Ciao, ciao, amor.
Ciao.